Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Jack's Magic the Purple Stuff. What is Jack's Magic the Purple Stuff? Jack's Magic's the Purple Stuff provides saltwater pool owners with an effective way to prevent stain formation in the rough environment that salt generators create while keeping them free of scale buildup that can affect overall pool health. The Purple Stuff's unique formula is unaffected by high salt and TDS environments and only requires monthly treatments to keep your pool spotless and healthy without adding complexity to your routine maintenance. Product benefits: aids in the prevention of metal stains and scale, meets the specific needs of salt and high TDS pools, safe for all pool finishes. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.